So I have 5 reasons why you should consider to buy a OBS truck, if it's a Ford, Chevy, or Dodge. One is you can work on it yourself. Get a couple issues, you can get a couple tools you need, get the kick you need, and you can actually do everything yourself. Parts, number two, are affordable. You can get the parts for a good price when you're trying to get the things you need to actually restore it. It doesn't really cost a lot. Number three is it's reliable. It can take you where you need to go. You still see them on the road today when you out networking and moving around. You still see them. Some of them are fully restored. Some of them are still being used as good solid work trucks and things like that. Number four, you can flip it once you finish it. So once you finish it, you can flip it and you can sell it and you can get your money back out of it. Number five is it's easy to fix up. So say after you finish doing everything and say you don't want to sell it, you want to restore it, it's easy, cost efficient, you can pass it down, and actually they have value. These trucks are 25 to 30 years old, so you can most definitely have an asset, something you can pass down to your children or your child, and they can be able to kill several birds in one stone with the vehicle. And that's why I think the OBS is a purchase that you should consider. All right.